It's time to retire my main setup. It was really a good year and had a blast using this fingerboard. But some good things really must come to an end. Welcome back to Tatsulok FB. It's a new year and also a time for new beginnings. Let's start off by building my new main setup. I've got the parts laid out and ready, so let's jump right in and build this. It's a Voltes 5 graphic rendition from Suavedex in a Mucho Loco mode. Moreover, this is a 5-ply thickness with steep kicks and mellow concavity. A Leo fingerboard V2 foam tape on top will provide grip and cushion for this setup. I like using this grip tape because it lasts really long and the grip is good but not too grippy for those who like a bit of slip on their grip tape. Then let's start trimming the edges of our grip tape. I'm looking for a nice and clean edge to highlight both top and middle ply. And while we're at it, please consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoy watching videos like this, and also please hit the notification bell for updates on new published content. Let's make the truck holes, followed by cleaning the countersinks. I'll be using a spare set of black rubber trucks with gold base plates and silver hangers. Then upgrading it with a cone and barrel shaped bushings from Lazy Tunes. Then after upgrading the tunings, let's install these black river trucks on my deck. Remember to use a cross pattern when installing your truck bolts. A quick check if both trucks sit nicely against the deck. To continue the Black River ensemble, Black River cruisers to finish the build. Tighten all nuts to the correct torque. Then followed by a rolling test. Let's do a kickflip test. So there you have it, my new main setup for 2025. I hope you enjoyed this build and I'll see you on the next.